to this virtual lesson on paper technique. I am Girly May, one of your instructors for this session. I hope you are all ready to dive into some exciting learning. So today we are going to talk about the paper technique in its importance and how to apply it in a classroom setting. Now, let's try to understand what is paper technique. So, paper technique is a fast-paced, verbal questioning technique where the teacher asks a series of quick questions to review or reinforce learning. The teacher asks questions rapidly and students answers as quickly as they can. The teacher randomly calls in different students so everyone has to stay alert and ready to respond. It's like a fast-paced game that keeps students engaged and makes reviewing more lively and interactive. Now class, let's move on why to use paper in a student-centered classroom. First, because it promotes active engagement and quick thinking. The teacher quickly asks questions and students answer right away, keeping everyone alert. Because students don't know who will be called next, they stay ready to respond, helping them think on their feet. Number 2, because it encourages all students to participate. Since the teacher can call anyone, all students get a chance to answer. This means even quieter students are involved, making it more inclusive way to get everyone participating. Lastly, because it provides a lively way to review content. The fast-paced style keeps the classroom energized, turning review sessions into a fun game. It helps students go over what they've learned in an exciting, interactive way. Now class, did you understand what is paper technique? If yes, try to think of an example on how to apply paper technique in the classroom. If you did not understand, try to go back to our lesson and review it again. Now class, let's test your understanding with a few quick evaluation questions. I'll ask the question and I want you to pause the video to think about your answers. Class, are you ready? Here's the first question. Now let's have a quick recap. Paper technique is a fast-paced, verbal questioning technique where the teacher asks a series of quick questions to review or reinforce learning. It promotes active engagement and quick thinking, It encourages all students to participate and provides a lively way to review content. In conclusion, Pepper creates an engaging, fast paced review to reinforce key ideas, and it helps create an interactive and student centered learning environment. Now, class, before I end our lesson, think about a topic or concept that students sometimes struggle to remember or understand. How might using the pepper technique help reinforce those ideas in a fun and effective way? What types of questions would you ask to keep students engaged and thinking quickly? Remember, class, trying out new techniques like pepper isn't just about having fun. It's about finding creative ways to keep your students engaged and motivated. Take some time to plan a quick session using pepper and see how it works for you. In our next lesson, we'll dive into more student centered strategies. Until then, have fun experimenting with the pepper technique and don't hesitate to adjust it to fit your style. That's the end of our lesson for today, and I hope you have learned something that you can apply in the future. Have a great day ahead.